Good morning, students. This is your maths period, and we are going to continue our session. In the previous classes, we have discussed from question number 1 to 3 of exercise 6.3. So today we are going to start from question number 4, and the question number 4 is find the square roots of the following numbers by using prime factorization method. You know very well, students, the how to use prime factorization method. Everyone knows? Yeah. By using the prime numbers, you divide a given number. आप prime numbers का use करके जो number आपको given होता है उसको divide करते हैं. So the smallest prime number is 2. हम लोग start करते हैं 2 से. उसके बाद after that 2, then 3, then 5, then 7. But we can use only prime numbers. That's why the name of this method is prime factorization. Okay, so let's start. This is your fourth question, and that is 7 to 9. But here you can see this is an odd number. It cannot be divisible by 2. So let us start by dividing it by 3. 3 से divide करेंगे हम लोग. So what you will get? 3. 3 2s are 6. 1 बचेगा. 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 9. You will get 2 4 3. Next, again divide by 3. 3 8s are 24. 3 1s are 3. You will get 81. Again by 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 7s are 21. Again by 3. We repeat this process until we got 1 in the last. Okay, जब तक हमें 1 नहीं मिल जाता हम लोग इस प्रोसेस को कंटिन्यूअस स्टार्ट रखते हैं. ठीक है. So 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. These are the prime factorization of 7 to 9. How you will write it? You will write as 7 to 9 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. How many 3s? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now you have to find the square root of 7 to 9. So आप root लगाएंगे 7 to 9 में and will make pairs or pairs बनाएंगे like this. 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pairs. So there are 3 pairs you can see. So you will write from this pair एक 3 इसमें से लेंगे, एक 3 इस pair से and 1 3 from this side. So you will get 3 3 is 9, 3 is 29, 27. That is your answer. Is it clear? Okay. So your second question is your second question is 1764. 1764, and that is the third part of fourth question. 1764. How will you divide it? Starting with 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4. Then again by 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. Then again by 3. What you will get? 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, 3 7s are 21. Again by 3, you will get 3 4s are 12, 3 9s are 27, and then by 7. So you will write 1764 as 2 into 2, 3 into 3, and 7 into 7. Now square root of 1764 is equal to, make a pair, 2 into 3 into 7. एक 2 from this pair, 1 3 from this pair, 1 3 from from this pair, 1 7 from this pair. इस पूरे में 2 नंबर्स में से एक नंबर लिया जाता है सभी में से. What you will get? 42. That is your answer. Now question number 5. From each of the following numbers, find the smallest whole number by which it should be multiplied so as to get a perfect square number. Also find the square root of the square numbers so obtained. In this question, आपको स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर फाइंड करना है जिससे मल्टीप्लाई करने पे जो गिवन नंबर है वो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बन जाए. ओके, सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज आई एम टेकिंग 252. ओके, 252. So by prime factorization method, divide this number by 2 by the smallest prime number. So you will get 2, 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4 and 2 6 are 12. 126. Then again by 2, what you will get? You will get 2 6 are 12 and 2 3 are 6. Now by 3, 3 2 are 6 and 3 1 are 3, 3 7 are 21 and 7 1 are 7. So you are getting the factors 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. Here you can see what you are watching. 2 is in a pair, 3 is in a pair, but 7 is not in a pair. 7 pair में नहीं है. 7 does not occur in pair. यहाँ पे आप लिखेंगे 7 does not occur in pair. 7 pair में नहीं है. आप देख रहे हैं 7 सिंगल है, 7 pair में नहीं है. So अगर we multiply by 7, अगर हम इसमें मल्टीप्लाई 7 से कर दें, देन इट विल बिकम अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर. ये क्या बन जाएगा? एक परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर बन जाएगा. सो वी मल्टीप्लाई by 7. We multiply by 7 to make it perfect square. आपको इसमें 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा इसको परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बनाने के लिए. So your first part has been finished, but in the second part also find the square root of the square number so obtained. आपको स्क्वायर रूट भी फाइंड करना है. So how you will find? Now multiply by 7. So 252 into 7. What you will get? You will get 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 and then 7 into 7. Now all the numbers are in pair. So 252 into 7, that is 1764, and that is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. Now I am going to find the square root of 1764. So square root of 1764 is, by making pairs, you will get 2 into 3 into 7. Answer will be 42. So this is the process. In this process, you can know by which number you can multiply in the given number to make a perfect square. Now I am going to solve question number 6. In the sixth question, from each of the following numbers, find the smallest whole number by which it should be divided so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of square numbers so obtained. अभी हम लोगों ने मल्टीप्लाई किया था, अब डिवाइड करना है। सो स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर बताना है जिससे डिवाइड करने पे जो गिवन नंबर है वो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बन जाए। ओके, सो योर क्वेश्चन इज सेम 252। By using prime factorization, you will get 2 1 2, 2 2 4, 2 6 2 6 12, 2 3 and then 3 2s are and 3 1s are 3 7s and 7 1s are 7. ठीक है? So you are getting 252 as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 again. So here you can see 7 does not occur in a pair. 7 pair में नहीं है. 7 does not occur in a pair. 7 पेयर में नहीं है. तो अभी हम लोगों ने क्या किया था? 7 मल्टीप्लाई किया था and then it became a perfect square. But in this case we divide by 7. Okay? यहाँ पे 7 से डिवाइड करेंगे. So divide by 7 to make a perfect square. यहाँ पे आपको 7 से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा. So when you divide by 7, what you will get? You will get 252 by 7 and then 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 and divide by 7. So what you get? You will get 36 in the left hand side and 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 in the right hand side. So